Hello guys! In this experiment, we conducted a paper chromatography practice using suji leaves. Methanol and ethanol were used as solvents, while a mixture of chloroform and methanol was used as the eluent. Okay, first, 4 suji leaves were taken and cut into small pieces to facilitate the grinding process using a mortar and pestle. Second, 2 samples were prepared. The first sample used 5 ml of methanol as the solvent, and the second sample used 5 ml of ethanol. Third, both samples were filtered using a funnel lid with filter paper, with a beaker placed underneath to collect the filtrate. Fourth, the samples were then incubated for 24 hours to obtain optimal extraction results. Fifth, chromatography paper measuring 8 by 2 cm was marked at the top and bottom with distance of 0.5 cm, and the bottom end was shaped into a cone. This was done to prevent the eluent from directly contacting the sample spot. Sixth, the ethanol extract of suji leaves was poured onto the designated area on the chromatography paper and repeated 5 to 10 times. The same procedure was applied to the methanol extract. This step aimed to obtain clearer and more optimal results. Seventh, the chromatography paper was left to dry until the spotted sample solution was completely dry. 8. A third and adhesive tape were attached to the top of the chromatography paper as a holder to prevent it from falling, as shown in the video. 9th, the eluent solution was prepared by mixing 9 ml of chloroform and 1 ml of methanol. The mixture was poured into a beaker up to the marked level and then covered for 3 minutes to allow the eluent vapor to saturate the chamber. 10th, the chromatography paper was then inserted into the chamber, ensuring that the spotted sample did not directly touch the eluent solution. Only the conical tip was immersed, allowing the eluent to rise by capillary action as shown in the video. 11th, after 10 minutes of development, the results were obtained as shown in the image. The RF value obtained was 0.97, with the spots traveling 4.4 cm and the eluent front traveling 4.5 cm. In conclusion, the paper chromatography experiment using suji leaf extract was successfully carried out. The solvents and eluent used allow effective pigment separation, as indicated by the high RF value obtained. This experiment clearly demonstrated the basic principle of paper chromatography. Thank you for your attention, good luck, and see you next time. Bye bye!